Hi, my name's Ameta Stevens, and I'm here from Atlanta, Georgia. I came in with quite a bit of dental problems, quite a few dental problems, and as you can see, I no longer have those. I've got a beautiful smile, thanks to the wonderful team here at Cancun Dental Specialists and Cancun Dental, and everyone from the drivers to the front end people to the doctors, the technicians, everybody has been nothing but kind, helpful, and always doing their best to make sure your comfort's number one. So I'm very, very thankful I made the trip down. It's definitely worth it.
Ameta, tell us what you get done this trip.
This trip, I got all 28 of my teeth capped, crowned, or veneered. Turns out I had come down to have all of them pulled and implants put in, and turned out that really all of my teeth were healthy at the root level and just above. It was just a neurological problem I have causes them to disintegrate. And so they literally had just started crumbling and falling off, and each time that would happen, of course, then a dental caries would start, and then I would get a cavity. So I came down with the thoughts that I would get them all pulled and be done with it. And after talking to I call her Dr. G, after talking with her at length, she really convinced me that it would be in my best interest to keep my teeth. They were healthy, just to do a few procedures to improve my smile. So that's what we did. We did lots of procedures.
All right. Do you think you're going to be able to recommend us?
I would definitely recommend y'all. The girls up front, especially Jeanette and then Adrian back here, and I don't even know all their names. All I know is they should all have little halos because they're just like little angels. They keep you so comfortable. They make sure if you're cold you have a blanket. Whatever you need to do, whatever you need taken care of, they make sure it's done. So yes, I would recommend them to anyone.
All right, thank you. And what do you think about Dr. Andrea?
I love Dr. Andrea. She was so sweet and so very thorough. You can tell she's meticulous. She knows exactly what she wants, and she knows how to get there with what she's got to work with. And I felt bad. I don't feel like I gave her much to work with. But boy, she did a miracle as far as I'm concerned. And you couldn't ask for anyone to be any nicer, sweeter, kinder, or more concerned. She gets A+ all around.
Thank you. And do you think Mexico or even Cancun is a very safe place to come to do dental work?
Absolutely. I had absolutely no reason to feel unsafe. I was out last night walking down by myself, going to get some dinner and all, and it was, no one accosted me, no one said anything other than hola and como estas, and that was it. Very friendly. Nobody did anything untoward, nothing negative. It was all just like being on a little vacation, except you're in the dentist's office a lot.
Muy bien. Muchas gracias, Ameta.